Hey guys, it's Ray Burke, Spray Wash Exterior Cleaning. Hey, we've been printing up the dollar bills, y'all. $65,000. Yes, $65,000 for me pressure washing this building. Hey, do you know how you make stupid easy money for the rest of your life? Man, just get a pressure washer. $65,000 we just made for washing this building. Printing up the dollar bills, y'all. Whoa! I mean, right now, we are sitting here flush in cash, $65,000. Oh, hell yes. Nothing but like printing money up, baby. Now I just got to figure out, am I going to go out and buy a used Ferrari? Maybe a collection of Armani hats? Or better yet, had my eye on a sweet ass platinum F-150 2019 model. I think it was about $45,000. That'd get me some new Armani gear and still have time for a sweet little getaway with my life. Because, you know, obviously every penny of that $65,000 I get to keep. I had zero expenses off the top of that. Boom! Guys, I'm going over the top on this video because, frankly, if you clicked on it because of the title, you took the clickbait. Stop taking the clickbait. No, seriously, stop taking the clickbait. It's like this. What I'm telling you is true. This building was a $65,000 pressure wash. I am not saying that to brag at all. I'm very proud of this building. It was a technically difficult building. It was an awesome building. We made it look amazing. You know what else? We did it in 16 days, which means we stacked up 16 $4,000 days in a row. Dollar bills, y'all. What I want to get to. It's a lot more than money. And understand, if you're looking at this from the money standpoint, if that's why you clicked on the video, you took the clickbait. Stop taking the clickbait. Pressure washing is the most awesome business to be in. A lot of people know my story. In case you don't, let me share you something right now. My name's Ray Burke. I'm in Tallahassee, Florida. I don't live in a major city. My metro market area is 375,000. I was a real estate developer, and in the crash of 2007 to 2009, I lost everything I had. I literally went and bought one of those crappy home-like pressure washers from Lowe's or Home Depot, I can't remember which one, and started my business. I now have 4 service trucks and we do about $1 million a year in pressure washing. You're not doing jobs like this with a Ryobi. You're not doing jobs like this with a HomeLight. You're not doing jobs like this without experience. But there is this rush online of people out there saying, let me advertise your company, buy my class, do this, do that. Oh, if you just give me $350, I'll make you successful. Bullshit. One of the great philosophers of our time, Bon Scott, from AC/DC, died choking on his own vomit, said it this way best. It's a long way to the top if you want to rock and roll. There is nothing about a pressure washing business that's easy. I'll tell you what it is. It's satisfying. It's financially rewarding. It gives you a great sense of accomplishment and pride. It's very lucrative. You build a family with your team members. But as far as being easy and thinking you can give somebody $200, $300, $400 and they're going to make your business a success, not going to happen. It's called building a business for a reason. You have to build it. 2 points there. You have to build it. Second point, you have to build it. Put the emphasis on both of those words, you and build. You know that $65,000 that I said? Guess what? We didn't make $65,000. Weird thing, these things called employees, they wanted paychecks. My bleach supplier, my soap suppliers, they wanted to get paid. The fuel, the insurance, the hoses, the brushes, the ladders, all of those had to be paid for. See the 8 stories of windows behind me? I paid a guy to do those. He wanted $5,000. I wrote him a check. He wouldn't wait until I get paid. You've got to have a carrying capacity for jobs like this. This is with the state of Florida. I'll be lucky to get my invoice paid within 60 days after submitting it for final approval. You've got to have a carrying capacity for jobs like this. This is with the state of Florida. I'll be lucky to get my invoice paid within 60 days after submitting it for final approval. Those 16 days that I said it took to do this job, we didn't do those all in a row. That was over the span of about 2 months. So the equipment, the chemicals, the labor, the outlay on this business, on this building, it's about $40,000. So if it takes me 2 months to get paid and I did the work over 2 months, that's basically an outlay of that kind of money to get $25,000 over a 4-month period. Still great money. I'm very blessed for getting that. But it's not just stupid easy like all these guys who are trying to sell you success programs. You know what? If you've made it this far, thank you very much. I appreciate your time. And I'm sorry to be a smartass. I truly am. People that know me know that I absolutely love this business and I'm very, very passionate about it. It's actually one of the reasons that we created Spray Wash Pro. Spray Wash Pro is an online school and private for-profit association. Feel free to look at it, spraywashpro.com. We actually get in here and I'll do about a 45 minute video on this job, just how we did this job, what to think about, what to look at, things to consider during bidding. Important things like when you should be working, when you shouldn't work. What do you do with air handlers? What do you do with public entrances? Where do you get your water supply from? What kind of safety precautions do I need? Where in the hell do I park at while I'm doing the job? What happens if a Trump rally pops up literally on the same block as this building on a work day? But that's where I'm getting to. There's so many things to take into consideration, especially whenever you do larger jobs like this, which again are very emotionally and financially rewarding. However, you need some training to do that. You need to be able to talk to experts about doing that. That's one of the reasons we created Spray Wash Pro. If you think you're a right fit for Spray Wash Pro, I invite you, please go to spraywashpro.com and look at it. Think about becoming a member. You can also find us on Facebook at Spray Wash Academy. That's our forum there, Spray Wash Academy on Facebook. But guys, thank y'all so much for watching. But listen, there is a long way to the top if you want to rock and roll. There's so many unscrupulous people out there asking you to buy their program, buy my school, let me run your Facebook ads. I can make you a success. Listen, if it sounds too good to be true, it is. You can build an awesome business, but you need training. You need to learn the fundamentals, and you've got to build it. Remember, stop taking the clickbait. Invest in yourself and invest in your business. There are no shortcuts to success.